This week, I want to talk about the 10-second rule with your intuition. Hi, I'm Eloise Ansell. I'm an intuitive healer based in the UK. Welcome back to my channel. This week, I want to talk about a really quick tip, tool, a tip that's also a tool. Anyway, that can help your intuition. Now, if you want to develop your intuition, now if you've been in my world before, you know you can't really develop your intuition. All you can do is learn to trust it more because it's already there. You're all intuitive. You are intuitive. But we tend to numb it and ignore it and shut it down. And so I'm all about giving tools and tips for getting it a little bit more active in our world and playing with it a little bit more. And one of my favorite things to encourage people to do is to use a 10-second rule. Like, our intuition likes to be quick. It likes to make quick decisions. So if I'm making a decision in a moment, I'm like, if it's not life-threatening and it's not going to hurt anyone, whatever the outcome is, and maybe it's something that I can reverse quite easily, I will automatically go to my intuition. And all I will do is take a breath, close my eyes, put my hands on my body, take a nice deep breath or two, and then ask whatever the question is. It's like, should I have tofu for dinner? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I'm just going to take a moment, breathe, get into my body, and then make that quick decision. Like, yes, no, yes, no. Should I have that flavour ice cream or that flavour ice cream? Shall I? Shall I spend that money? Shall I buy that thing? Things that don't matter are a great training ground for our intuition. We just let our intuition choose for us. So, just taking 10 seconds to make a choice. Closing your eyes, breathing, settling into the moment, and then ask the question. You can do it out loud if you like. Yes or no. See which one your body feels lighter to. I sometimes put stones in my hand. I'm like, this is the yes hand, this is the no hand, and which one do I feel the stone in? Like, you can set up whatever communication you want with your intuition. You're going to have a unique way. And so you need to learn to tune in to the answers. So by doing these 10-second kind of decisions on a regular basis, you're going to be making friends with your intuition. You're going to be running your life based on it in those little things. So it's more likely to talk to you at other times. And you'll start to learn how you're wired to make these quick decisions with your intuition. Does it like to show you something? Does it say something to you? Do you just get a feeling or a sensation? You'll start to learn the ways that your intuition wants to talk to you. So by making these quick 10-second choices, and I say 10 seconds because you might want to take 10 seconds, 8 seconds to breathe and then ask the question and get the answer. It's a great training tool because once we learn to trust our intuition on the little insignificant little things that come up every minute of the day, we're going to honor that relationship. We're going to be building trust with it so that we can make the bigger decisions based on the intuition as well. And you're going to learn all the cues and tools and tips of how your intuition wants to talk to you. So if you want to trust your intuition, make friends with it, best friends with it, come and check out all my intuition training courses. But a really quick, simple way of starting to train it is to just take those 10 seconds. So next time you need to make a decision of what to eat for dinner or when to go and post the letter, or things that don't really matter, start working with your intuition. It's like, when do I need to go to the bus stop? It's like, tell me when to go, instead of looking up on the timetable. Just play with it. Just play with your intuition. play with it and see what comes out of it. See what you learn about yourself. You'll learn a lot about that in that relationship with your intuition, and that will be a firm foundation for going further and making more difficult choices with your intuition later on. Okay, I hope you found this useful. If you did, like it, comment, put I loved it in the comments so I know you watched it. Uh, share with a friend, do something, subscribe. And if you want to learn more about intuition, I've got some other tools down below that you can go and check out. Okay, have a great day. Take care. Bye.